Hi everyone, Ed here. Doing a little video of my wife's rear window defroster is not working. Actually, it's never worked, and I'm kind of bored today, and I'm gonna show you actually how to kind of test it with a meter and what product I used to fix it and get the connection back. Because typically what happens with these is it's kind of a crappy design, and you got this wire and it plugs in right here, but what happens is sometimes this wire will get pulled down, or if this is really on tight, what'll happen is something will hit this and then this tab gets pulled off, and then you can't use your rear window defroster. And from what I can tell, it looks like this had been repaired before, and somewhere it lost its connection. I'm not quite sure what happened, but I'm going to show you how to use the meter just to check it. Having the meter is immensely helpful and will allow you to make sure that you're putting, if you're going to put the tab back on, putting it back in a good spot, and also making sure that you have a good connection there. So I'm going to pause it for a sec. Okay, so I'm back. So typically you can, if you lost this tab or it's just bent and poor, you can order these online. I got mine on Amazon. So with that new tab, I actually got some Permatex type glue that they have, a rear window defroster glue, and I've used this product before, and I stuck it right in the middle and stuff like that. I had tested it with my meter, and I had a good connection, and I'm gonna show you right now how to check with the meter the continuity and stuff. That way you can make sure you're putting it in the right spot. So I'm going over to the other side. I'm going to show you a couple things here. So here's my meter. I have it on the continuity setting, and I just got a jumper wire running to the connector up here. And as you can see, the black right here, that's the protective covering. This right here, the different color part, that is actually the connection where you watch. If I go like this, you'll hear the tone of the meter. So even this close, there's a connection between that and this right here. So if by chance yours gets ripped off or pulled down, and let's say this part right here is missing, you're going to have to very carefully scrape this top part off, so that you have this coating right here that's going to give you that connection. And if I go like this, you can hear the tone. So that's another way of checking all the wires. If you have like a break in the wire, you'll be able to troubleshoot it and stuff. Obviously on older cars, you can do this. I don't know about the newer cars. I have a feeling they're more embedded into the glass itself. Probably don't have this issue anymore. But so that's how you would check it. So when you go over this side, and when I did it about a week ago, I went like this, and I had a good connection, so I did get the glue and put the glue in, and I put the new tab on. So let me get back to the issue I had with the glue and that tab. I used the Permatex product, and I've used it in the past, and I've never had an issue. And I kind of waited last week when it was warm out. It was about 50 degrees, and I mixed up the glue, put the tab on, and actually waited a couple days. because you know, it was getting colder and stuff like that. And ideally, probably should do it in the summertime, but you know, I was trying to fix this to get it for my wife so she wouldn't have to worry about it. But so when I went to attach the wire, it actually pulled the tab right off the glass. So it was just didn't set. So I don't know what happened. I don't know if the glue was old or it has a product life on it. The package itself was kind of dusty, so I don't know how long it was on the shelf. So I went online. I was looking for some kind of epoxy type glue that was conductive, and I did find a product, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So the product I found was made by Atom Adhesives. It's a US based company, and they make this epoxy. It's a two-part epoxy. Follow the directions to the T. It's a little, I'm going to say different, not odd, but just different. They have a way of wanting it mixed. And this particular glue has silver in it. So that's the conductor. So the signal and whatever goes through in the electrical pulse can go through it. So what I did was I cleaned off all the old Permatex, and I just mixed up this package of Atom adhesive, and I just basically slobbered it all over that spot that I showed in the video previously, and covered the original tab that was there. And I actually kind of cleaned up that original tab. I had a small file, so I kind of just lightly scraped it down so I could see some copper on it. I just wanted to make sure the connection was there and stuff. And, you know, I just wanted to take a chance. This product, everybody said online, works great. So basically I mixed it up. I didn't even put the tab back on. I just wanted to see if this glue was as good as everyone said. And it is. So this is the actual glue itself. It's epoxy based. It looks a little messy, but it does work. I'm going to show you, because I'm going to just put my probe on it, and you can hear the tone from the meter. It's pretty cool. So I'm pretty happy with this product. I would suggest using it and stuff like that. You know, you can use it on different things and stuff, but for the rear window issue and stuff, it's not bad. So, and we tested it out today because we had a little snow and it worked. So my wife's happy. So take it easy, everyone. Catch you later. Bye.